So, good morning, engineering buddies. So, here we go again on another set of examples for number problems. So, I believe it is sample number 3, no? So, let's solve the problem. So, the sum of the reciprocals of two numbers is 11. 3 times the reciprocal of one of the numbers is 3 more than twice the reciprocal of the other number. Find the numbers. Okay. So, in algebra, uso sa atin yung let x be the first number, y is the second number. So, first statement tayo. The sum of the reciprocals of two numbers is 11. So, when we say reciprocal, ito siya, ganyan. So, may equation 1 na tayo. Next, 3 times the reciprocal, statement 2. Three times the reciprocal of one of the numbers. So, 3 times the reciprocal of one of the numbers. So, pwedeng ganyan. Is 3 more than twice ng reciprocal ng another number, which is ganyan. Find the numbers. So, equation 2. So, ayan na. Meron na tayong 2 equations, 2 unknowns. Pwedeng dito mag-substitution ka. So, 1 over x is equal to 11 minus 1 over y. Tapos, ipalit mo dito. So, pwede mong gawin is 3. 11 minus 1 over y is equal to 3 plus 2 over y. So, dyan, pwede ka na nga dyan mag-calculator. Tignan natin nga dito sa calculator natin kung meron tayong shift solve. Pero ang tumuturo sa amin sa review center, guys, is huwag kayo mag-shift solve. Siyempre, dapat alam pa rin natin kung paano siya i-solve. I think ito siya. X siya pero Y siya, guys, as a variable lang to, shift solve. Hindi ko siya kabisado pag dito sa calc na to. Ito na ba yun? X is equal to 1 over 6. Actually, meron tayong kaso ang hinahanap kasi, verify natin sa pagsasolve. So, magiging 33 minus 3 over y is equal to y divided by 1, 3y, 2 plus 2. Okay, so dito pwede na ba nating magiging and 30y is equal to 5 y is equal to 5 over 30 equal to 1 over 6. So, tama naman pala. So, 1 over 6 yung isa. And then, ito yung first number, ay yung second. So, yung first number, ipalit lang natin dito. So, 1 over x is equal to 11 minus 1 over 6. So, compute natin. So, 5. 1 over x is, so 1 over x is 5. So, reciprocal niya, x is equal to 1 over 5. So, yun yung number natin. Yan yung sagot natin, guys. So, sa choices, ito siya. Letter C. So, next problem. Kulang tayo ulit ng bagong problem. So, the product of two numbers is 1,400. If 3 is subtracted from each number, the product becomes 1175. Find the bigger number. So, same process. So, let x and y be the numbers. So, sabi sa statement 1, the product of two numbers is 1,400. So, product is xy. So, may equation 1 na tayo. Statement 2. If 3 is subtracted from each number, the product becomes 11. So, kapag minusan mo ng 3 kada number, so ganyan. So, may product, ganyan. Find the bigger number. So, meron tayong two equations, two unknowns, no? Pwede natin gawin dyan. Pwede natin i-simplify to. So, magiging, siya, xy minus 3x minus 3y plus 9. Tama, guys. Is equal to 1175. So, pwede siyang maging ganyan. Tapos, pwede kang mag-substitution. Palitan mo lahat nung, pwede natin sabihin na x is equal to 1/4 over y. So, palit natin. So, 1,400 over y. So, nag-substitute tayo, guys, ha. Tapos, times y pa. Minus 3. Is equal to 1166. Yan. So, pwede ulit tayo mag-shift solve, guys. Ito pala, makaka-cancel na to. Ito, makaka-cancel. So, yun lang. Pwede na natin siyang calculate ulit. So, negative 3 minus 3. Minus 1, 4. So, meron na tayong 2 values ng x, ng y. Kasi naging quadratic. X is equal to 28, x is equal to 50. So, naging quadratic equation siya. Y is equal to 28, y is equal to 50. Ngayon, pwede mo siyang gamitin pareho. Substitute mo dito. Pag sinubstitute natin yung if x is equal to 28, if y is equal to 28, ang magiging x niya is okay, 1, 4 divided by 28, magiging 50. Then if, actually parang pareho lang ano. If y is equal to 50, malamang ang x is 28. So same lang. So ang hinahanap naman natin, find the bigger number. So ang bigger number dyan, yung 50. So yung 50 yung sagot natin. Then yung isang na, ito yung smaller number. So yun guys, ganun lang mag-solve ng number problem guys ha. So, I think meron pa tayong siguro last problem for number problem sa next video natin. No? So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell button for more engineering tutorials na upcoming nating gagawin soon. So, ayun, and good luck and padayon engineers.